Welcome to TrueHost Academy. Today we're discussing an exciting topic, how to do email marketing with AI. Email marketing is a powerful tool for any business, and when you combine it with AI, you can take your campaigns to the next level. Let's explore how you can make your email marketing smarter, more personalized, and more effective with AI. First off, what exactly is AI in email marketing? AI, or artificial intelligence, uses machine learning algorithms and data analytics to enhance your email campaigns. It helps you reach the right audience, at the right time, with the right message. By analyzing past data and customer behavior, AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, optimize sending times, and create highly personalized content. Imagine being able to send emails that your audience actually looks forward to. With AI, that's possible. It's not just about sending emails, it's about sending the right emails. Now let's talk about how you can implement AI in your email marketing strategy. Step 1. Selecting the right AI tools. To start, you need to choose the right AI tools. Popular options include MailChimp, HubSpot, Omnisend, and MailerLite. These tools offer features like audience segmentation, campaign optimization, and automated workflows. When picking a tool, consider its automation capabilities, personalization options, and ease of use. Step 2. Generating compelling content. AI can also help you create compelling content. For example, AI can suggest attention-grabbing subject lines by analyzing successful campaigns. You can use A/B testing to see which subject lines work best or leverage sentiment analysis to ensure your subject lines resonate emotionally with your audience. Additionally, AI can help you craft personalized content by dynamically inserting details like your customer's name or past purchase history. Step 3. Managing and segmenting your contact list. Managing your contact list is crucial for effective email marketing. AI makes this easier by automatically segmenting your audience based on behavior, demographics, and engagement. It can even clean your list by removing inactive subscribers, ensuring your emails reach the right people. Step 4. Automating campaigns. Automation is where AI truly shines. You can set up trigger-based campaigns like welcome emails for new subscribers or re-engagement emails for inactive ones. These automated workflows save time and ensure your emails are timely and relevant. Step 5. Analyzing campaign performance. AI also helps you track and analyze your campaign performance. You can monitor metrics like open rates and click-through rates in real time, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and refine your strategies for future campaigns. Step 6. A/B testing with AI. Finally, A/B testing becomes much more efficient with AI. AI can dynamically test different variations of your emails in real time and even predict which versions are likely to perform better. This means you can optimize your campaigns faster and with greater accuracy. And there you have it. How to do email marketing with AI. By integrating AI into your email marketing strategy, you're not just improving efficiency, you're creating more personalized and engaging content that resonates with your audience. As AI continues to evolve, it will only bring more opportunities for innovation in email marketing. Have you tried using AI in your email campaigns? Let us know in the comments what tools you found most effective and how they've transformed your marketing efforts. You can also check our video on 6 best AI email marketing tools to use in 2024 through a link in the description. Thanks for watching TrueHost Academy, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content.